Hey guys, welcome back to my messy living room. I am about to make some changes in here again. Yes, I know. Just fixed this place up not too long ago and now I'm about to change it up again. I'm not going to make any drastic changes, but I'm going to take my desk upstairs to my bedroom because I have more space in my bedroom. I feel so cramped up, like sitting here trying to get work done. I feel like it's just not enough space for me. I used to have this room as my home office, so I had a bigger desk, but I decided to turn this space back into my living room and just stick my desk, like get something smaller and stick it in the corner. But I'm just not feeling it, so I'm going to take it upstairs and put it in my bedroom because I have more space in the bedroom. I just want to like execute it so I can see how it looks. If it doesn't look right, then I'll just put it back like this and maybe put this cabinet on this wall. I don't know. I'll see. I'll have to see about this cabinet because I could just put the bookcase on this wall now. But we'll see, because I mean, I do like, you know, having the sofa here and the chairs. I do like that look with my ottomans in front of the coffee table. It's nice, but now that I have this space in the corner, I just want to test it out because I cannot stop thinking about it. But yeah, you know, this is what I do, guys. I'm always switching up stuff. You guys know this already. But I'm gonna go ahead and run to the store because I need to take back these pillows. So I purchased these pillows here because I wanted to include this like minty green color in the room for like spring and summer. I wanted to just add some kind of color other than navy blue. So I purchased these pillows and I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I want to bring out the this pop of color. I mean, it looks good with the art because you can see it in the art. So I was thinking about doing like mint green and navy blue pillows. Not these two pillows. I just want you guys to see how it looks. But doing something like that. Or maybe find some pillows that incorporates, you know, these colors with like, you know, some type of pretty design. But, you know, I'm kind of unsure about that too because I don't want to have too much going on in the space. But I don't know. I think I'm just going to go ahead and take those pillows back because I'm not in love with the look. I'm not in love with the look at all. I did change the wall sconces. I had these sconces for a really long time, guys, but I wasn't going to use them because they're teal. But when I purchased them, the box said that they were navy blue. But when I took them out of the box, definitely not navy blue. You can clearly see that that is not navy blue. So I wasn't going to use them, but I figured, you know what? Let me put them up, see how I like them. I still want mirrored like sconces or maybe like just some like slim mirrored panels on each side of this art, but I'm just not having any luck finding the ones that I really want. But yeah, I mean, these are nice as well. I'm just not trying to bring out the teal. That's the only thing. I'm not trying to bring out the teal in this art. Like, I'm not gonna go and get teal pillows and stuff like that. So I might just stick with my navy blue for now because it's my favorite color. And I've been looking for some new rugs because I'm not too crazy about these rugs anymore. Not with like, you know, everything else, the art and just the look that I want in here. I want to take this one upstairs to my bedroom because it's going to look better up there. And then I'll just have another one that I can use. I could put it in my husband's man cave, because he needs another rug. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, so I'm going to take some pictures of this cabinet. I'm not going to keep this. I'm actually going to sell it, but I wanted to put it right here to see if I need to get another cabinet for this space. So I was thinking about, you know, if I'm going to have the furniture like this, I want to have a cabinet here, still have my art, with like a cabinet, but I don't know if I'm going to do it that way because I still need to bring my coffee table right here, and it's not going to be enough space. Like, I'm going to bring the coffee table in a second, but I don't think it's going to be enough space. So I don't know, I just need to kind of organize my ideas because I have so many just floating around in my head. But I'm going to take a picture of this cabinet so I can sell it. I went through a rustic glam phase. It didn't last very long, but when I was in that phase, I was buying a lot of like wooden pieces. I would have painted, but honestly, I don't want to because I don't want to keep it. Like, I'm just not in love with it. I don't want to paint it because I'm not really good at painting furniture, comes to find out. So I'm not going to worry about painting it. I would rather just sell it and make some money from it so I can buy the item that I really, really love. So yeah, I need to go ahead and take my pictures so I can try to sell it. So this is what I have going on. Let me come back so you guys can see the view. Well, kind of sort of see the view, but I was thinking about doing it like this. Oh my God, just looking at it on camera, that definitely needs to go. But I need to go and find my furniture sliders for the bookcase so I can move it out of the way. Maybe I'll just put it up against it. No, because then it's going to be all cramped, and you know what? I don't like I would have to move the sofa back all the way because having this space back here is kind of like a walk space, but then you would have to slide through just to get back there. No, I'm going to have to move the sofa all the way back to see how I like it. But then the sofa and the accent chairs and the table is going to be too far apart. So it's not going to feel right. You know what? Let me just gather my thoughts. Let me gather my ideas, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I decided. All right, guys, I am back. So I moved the cabinets, and instead of having the lamps right next to the sofa, I decided to push them back. Now, this isn't how it's going to stay. I'm just still playing around with stuff. I had to move the bookcase to the middle of the window, and it's not going to stay because I do not like the way that looks. I don't like to block my view. When it comes down to the window, I don't like to put high pieces of furniture in front of it, blocking the view, blocking any of the light coming in. I just don't like that look, but I need to figure out where I'm going to put it. So for now, I'm just going to sit it there because it's heavy and I don't want to have to take all of the stuff off just to move it. So it's just going to sit there for now. But I was thinking about putting the console table that I have in the family room in here because it's just, you know, a mirrored piece, and it doesn't have, like, you know, a lot of design on it. So that probably would work. I'm gonna go ahead and let me show you guys actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, put it in the living room, and see how it looks before I start purchasing more furniture, you know, shop my home first. So yeah, let's see if this is gonna work. All right, so here it is, and I don't think I like it. I would rather this be wider than the art. Like, yeah, I don't think this is the look that I'm going for. All right, so I went ahead and put the bookcase here just to see, you know, how it'll look, and I do not like it at all, so I'm gonna move that. But okay, so I do like the sofa and the chairs like this, but I really need to create a focal point on this wall. So I was thinking about maybe getting a fireplace like mantle, not like a real fireplace, but putting like a mantle there with the arts, with this art above it. But that's going to require me to spend money that I'm not trying to spend. So I was considering just putting the sofa back and shifting it, because right now I have this space. Let me come back some so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so I have this space, this opening, like this is the door. then you have that wall back there. So instead of centering everything to the entire wall, I have it centered to the opening, this opening right here, which is creating space on this side, if you can understand what I'm saying. But yeah, so when you're standing in this opening here, if you're standing in the middle, then this would be the focal point. Like this would be the center point of the room right here where the bookcase is. And that's where I have my, you know, everything arranged for the center point of this room according to this opening. But if I decided to center out everything to the center of the room, then I'm going to have to shift everything. So I'm going to, which means I can push the sofa back because right now I have this space. So if I center it to the room, then I can push the sofa back and bring the chairs up, just center everything. But then it might look weird because when you're standing like right here, everything is going to be shifted. Like the chairs are going to be in the center point of the room. So it's going to look weird. But this is the process, guys. This is the process that I don't share. You know, I always just do this off camera, and then when I get it to my liking, I'll come back and share it with you guys. You know, I'll share the final look, but I figured why not just share the process, because it's not always easy. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put the furniture back because, you know, I like it more this way. I was just testing out the other way, but I wasn't feeling it. I would need a focal point on this wall if I'm going to have my sofas like that, and I wouldn't be able to put the bookcase in here. So I just, you know, I just wasn't feeling it. I'm not trying to spend even more money trying to create some kind of focal point, like getting a fireplace installed and all of that. No, it's just, you know, it's not that big of a deal. But I do like it like this. I went ahead and removed the rug because, you know, like I said, I'm going to get a new one and I'm going to sell the other one. So I just took it out. I'm not going to put any decor back in the room because if I do, I'm going to have to just remove everything when the new rug comes in. So I'll just update you guys as far as that. I'll do another video showing you guys the updates. I do need to start on the dining room now because I need to take that rug up and I'm going to mess around with the tablescape. I don't think I'm going to do another tablescape, but we'll see because I'm going to do a room tour. The last time I showed you guys the dining room, it was for holiday entertaining with Ross. It was a collaboration, so I really couldn't talk about all of the other products that I have in this space in that video. So I have to do like a room tour and just go into details about what's all in the room and where I got everything from. But yeah, this is the space. I don't know if I'm going to keep the bookcase angled like that. I might just put it flat against the wall, but you can't really see what's on the bookcase when it's flat against the wall. That's why I went ahead and angled it, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to worry about it right now, but I do like how much space I have. It's not cluttered with furniture. I'm not trying to squeeze my home office in here. I really like it. Even without the area rug, I like it, but I'm definitely going to put an area rug in here because I just love the way it looks. I feel like an area rug just brings it all together. But yeah, it looks good even without it, and I just love how I don't have anything in front of this window. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I will update you guys. Like I said, I will continue to record and update you guys on what I'm doing. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.